Just cut it right there. Oh my God, Gabriel. Hey my loves, so my little man just finished cutting down the rest of the knobs for the cabinets from his antlers that he had caught from a deer, and then one of his best friends gave us another set of antlers because they needed more, and he didn't want to use the ones that he had because he wants to mount them on his wall. So I'm getting ready to put those knobs onto the counter doors, and then I'm gonna finish up the installation for some part of the bus until we get more installation. And we have a few more things, but it's getting done and I am loving every bit of the way things are coming out. So let's get these knobs on. First is, I see where I want to put them,